In this segment of the e-learning tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to link courses to meta-courses in e-learning. So basically you have one main course and then you can link one or more other courses to it. In that way, the students from the child courses, what's referred to child courses, they'll access their own section plus the main course as well, and then the faculty will be able to manage only, or will need to manage only, the main course. So here's how you do it. So in this case we have SPE 791, which is a grad level course, and then we have also 491, which is paired with it, and the students from undergrad will need to access the grad version of it. So we go to the course and then we click on participants. From participants, here under enrolled users drop down, we select enrollment methods. And then further down here, we click on Add a Method, and then select Course Meta Link. From here, we search for the course. So it would be SPE 491. Now, you need to make sure that this matches the correct semester. We are working on the fall section for SPE 791, and we want to link the fall section of SPE 491, the counterpart at the undergrad level. Now we click OK here, or we click the link, and then you verify it again that it's still the right course and the right section, the 00 section. Sometimes you may have more than one section of the same course, and then we click on Add Method. At this point, it's going to link, it's going to bring the users from the undergrad section to the grad one automatically. And if we were to go to the enrolled users, it'll list that list of users, or it'll list the users in there. I'm not clicking at this point for the sake of personal information being displayed. Once we have done this step, that's all we have to do to link the two courses together. However, we need to go here to course and then grab the link for the main course section. So we click here, copy that link, and then we go to the undergrad section, and then we need to go into edit mode on the undergrad section, and then basically put a statement in here letting the students know where they need to access the course resources. And then you can hyperlink this to the course link that we had from earlier, and then press Save Settings, and that's all you have to do